time faster.
Woo! Is that fun? One more time.
Get the biggest push you got.
There it goes. Woo! What? One more time.
Again.
Go for it. Just not too. Don't get too entirely fast with Rebecca on it.
You better sit down.
Rebecca, sit down. Sit. Sit or don't move. There you go.
Karis needs her tennis shoes on instead of them boots. Get going around, Karis. Run. Like I did, and fling it real hard when you get around so far. Makes it go faster.